Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Titan Security Key, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Google Titan Security Key, start by ensuring your device is compatible. Check if you have a Bluetooth-enabled Google Titan Key or a USB version. Begin by inserting the USB security key into a USB port on your computer. If you're using the Bluetooth version, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Next, navigate to your Google account settings in a web browser. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, locate the security section in the settings menu. Look for an option that says two-step verification and click on it. In the two-step verification section, find Add Security Key and select that option. Choose the appropriate type of your Titan security key. If you're using the USB security key, click on USB Security Key. If you're using the Bluetooth key, select Bluetooth Security Key. Follow the prompts to register your key. If prompted, press the button on your Titan Security Key. For Bluetooth keys, you may need to pair it with your device during this step. After successfully adding your security key, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, test your authentication process to ensure it works. Log out of your Google account and attempt to log back in. When prompted for your two-step verification, insert your USB key or use your Bluetooth key. Press the button on your security key when prompted. If done correctly, you will gain access to your account. Remember to keep your Titan security key in a safe place. This key adds an essential layer of security to your online accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.